Beneath a sky ablaze with stars, a dark, endless ocean stretches into infinity. The camera descends towards the water's surface, drawing us into the mysteries below. Words appear. Journey into the mysteries of the deep sea. Underwater, light blue tones gently fade into darker shades. On-screen text appears. Entering the deep. The dark ocean is lit by the ethereal glow of jellyfish, drifting like ghostly lanterns. Tiny bioluminescent creatures flash, creating an alien spectacle. Words shimmer into view. Bioluminescent wonders. An ominous darkness descends, the crushing depths concealing unimaginable terrors. A terrifying anglerfish appears, its bioluminescent lure casting an eerie glow. A gulper eel slithers through the water, its movements exaggerated and serpentine. In the distance, the colossal form of a giant squid is briefly visible before disappearing back into the gloom. Deep sea predators. The deep sea reveals its alien beauty. Coral forests in vivid hues of red, white, and purple. Glass sponge gardens shimmer, adding to the ethereal landscape. Mysterious brine pools appear as lakes within the sea, their surfaces undisturbed. On-screen text proclaims, magical deep-sea landscapes. Deep beneath the waves, black smokers erupt, spewing plumes of hot water into the icy abyss. Around these hydrothermal vents, alien life thrives. Giant tube worms sway in the current, and ghostly crabs scuttle across the seabed. The words glow starkly against the darkness. Hydrothermal vents, cities of fire. Researchers exploring the unknown. The sleek submarine navigates silently through the ocean's abyss. Inside, scientists huddle around glowing screens, their expressions intense as they analyze the complex data.